Alright guys, so here we go, another episode of Dead Man Gold and Silver here. So, got two boxes here, and actually can't wait to open these up here. So, we'll just get right into it here. We'll get into the smaller box here. Kind of have a feeling I know what's in here. Some tough tape there. Make sure that so here is the Leif Erikson Millennial commemorative coin that I was telling you guys about. This is a 2-coin set. This is actually really cool. Get this out here. That's really nice. Definitely really nice. Now I do have this guy out here with me. Just bear with me here a second and get this up and running here. I'm doing pure gold, we're doing silver. There we go. Might have to take them out of the capsule for this one. Anyways, let's see how. Oh yeah. Don't want to give it up here for me. There we go. That's not very promising now, is it? No, it's not. Anyways, might be a bust on them. We'll come back to them later. Let's get this other box opened. Now, these are, obviously you guys saw the other 3 coins to this collection here. Try not to mess these box up here too badly. these are just simply it's just an awesome wooden box. It's awesome. It's just simply well done. And that is Bjorn Ironside. That is an awesome. We'll get this, break him out of there. Still, I mean, Scottsdale Mint. This one is $5.65. Now, if you guys recall, this was a limited mintage of 1,999. That is simply awesome. Awesome, awesome. Really like that. That's really nice. Really like them. Those are awesome. This one, I can't wait to see this one here. Maybe should have saved this one for last, probably. Let's see what Thor looks like here. Oh, that is the hammer. Oh, just, yeah, wow. Wow. That, oh my gosh, spectacular. Spectacular. That is awesome. The box, the coin, I mean, that is very well put. Very well put. Very well put. I know you guys are probably, I don't know, maybe you might be sick of me talking about these Viking coins, but I am fascinated, intrigued by Viking history. And I actually studied runes for a while, and unfortunately I'm not too familiar. Oh, wow. Anyway, so the runes are actually all these writings around the box here, and that was kind of like the, I guess you would call it the Viking alphabet. In other ways to communicate with other people and send messages, things of that nature. Oh my gosh, that is, I really, wow. That spectacular. Awesome. And we got the Queen on the background, Queen Elizabeth II on the back, yeah. Awesome. Simply freaking awesome. I really like the 3 Viking swords on this. That's really awesome. These are really well. I really like that series, and really sad that it had to not end, but abruptly stop for some reason. So this is the last one, and this was all on the same order. I got all these 4 here from APMEX. I'm not by any means supported by them, but anyways, so we got Eric Bloodaxe. This, I think, is a 5-coin series set that just started. It's 2020, I think. I believe. So, not as extravagant box as these ones from the Scottsdale Mint, that's for sure, but a nice wooden box. And oh wow, wow, okay. Maybe the coin makes up for it here. Let me get this guy out of here. Wow. Now that. I don't know. That's high relief, detailed. Let me see if I can get that out of the capsule here. Not fight with it too much here. Since I got my gloves on, it just doesn't want to give that up. Okay, so right away it's definitely a lot thinner, so it's going to be, you know, bigger than these other ones here, because these are, I believe these are, yeah, this is 2 ounce and this is 2 ounce. So look at the difference in the thickness there. So I mean, obviously the detail on the one on this one is fantastic. This is still really good too. I really like these. I really like all of these actually. This is really awesome. I mean, I'm surprised of all the details they can get on a coin. Now I see why this one was substantially more than the Scottsdale one. So I'll put him back in there. Oh, you know what? $5.65. I wonder if all of these are inside. No. So that one's $5.57. $5.65 beer and Ironside. Thor $3.95. Thought Thor would have sold a lot more, but anyways, this one mintage is 500 pieces. So I'd be interested to see $461 of 500. I definitely didn't find out about this until much later on. I definitely hope that they will be coming out with more of these. These are really awesome. I'm really happy with these. Actually, I'm really happy with all these. I'm gonna test these other ones from the United States Mint here a little bit more, and see if these are legit or not. Unfortunately, I got these off of eBay. I didn't pay as much as I thought I was going to for them, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. This was definitely a lot of fun, and we'll see you guys on the next one.